Added some of the lights here, even though I don't know how to stop them from blinking. So there's that. This is gonna be the fountain. You're welcome, Nas. Got me out here all night. You're gonna be here tomorrow at 11 a.m. You're gonna pull up with a bunch of moss and be like, all right, let's do this.
Yeah, let's do it.
And I'm out here late at night trying to get this done for you. You're welcome. The strip of lighting is white, so I'm doing this inner rim white, and then everything around it I'm gonna go with black, and we'll see how it goes. This is my first time doing this. Who knows? Look at me. It's midnight right now, Nas, and I made this for you so far. I still want to paint this outside black, but I'm tired. But you'll be here tomorrow, and I know you ain't painting nothing. It's gonna be ridiculous watching you get in your creative bag and put the moss on this. But we gonna get it done. Good morning, back at it. All for you, Nas. Look who finally decides to come out here and help. I've been talking trash about you too, man. Nas got me out here working without him. He brought the moss, so let's go. You ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right.
Let's go.
Look who else is here. The man, the myth, the legend, Hachiman is in the building.
We're adding this foam right here to add a little depth. As you can see, that moss, give it some lift to it. A little lift.
All right. What you doing, Hachi?
Watching Nas give it a little lift.
Whoa. Meanwhile. The only one out here working, Nas?
Yeah, he is.
What you doing?
I'm gonna need some staples. That's all I'm saying. Hatch the staple man. This how you load them?
No. Flip it.
Exactly.
Wait, how did you cut yourself?
Because when talking about loaded like this, and I wanted to go shut it, and all the staples jumped out, cut me on my chin, my finger,
jumped
my
out.
glove, all that.
Wait, cut you on your chin.
My chin, bro. Should be dangerous. See? Thank you.
Somebody give James subtitles. Like that.
Everybody gets subtitles.
You're so your dad. Yeah, it's how you load it. This is how you do it.
I didn't say that. I did not say that. I just said, can you please load it? That's all I said.
Just like this head.
I did not say lying, throwing dirt on my name. That's all right, Hatch.
Cut myself a little bit of this, bro.
I seen what you did here, Hatch. Do we want it lower? Do we want it higher? So Nas, you gonna secure it? Yes. About that.
What we doing now?
Yeah, we out here. Adding a little depth to it, you know what I'm saying? Just, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? With the little, you know what I mean? With the gun, You know what I mean? That's what we doing. We'll worry about this, and then we can manipulate this.
Time for the installation.
I'll put that in my house.
What'd you say?
For real.
That water feature was a dope little idea, now. We finally finished it. Big shout out to Hatch. Nas